As patients begin to return to doctors' offices for vital appointments, they will be concerned with the cleanliness of the exam rooms, tables, and the air around them. The IND LLP UVC KT MDR1 120V from Larson Electronics is a medical office UV disinfection package that includes everything needed to keep a single doctor's office exam room clear of viruses and bacteria. This kit includes one indirect UV air disinfection fixture and one germicidal UV sanitation light. The indirect UV air disinfection fixture cleans the upper room air of occupied spaces, while the germicidal UV sanitation light can then be used to thoroughly disinfect the room once it is empty again. With the doctor's office UV disinfection package, airborne viruses, bacteria, and other airborne germs and allergens will be continuously killed, and any surface-dwelling contagions can be quickly destroyed in between each patient's arrival into the exam room. The indirect UV air disinfection fixture helps to reduce the risk of cross-infection and minimizes the exposure of occupants to infectious airborne microbes. This stainless steel air disinfection unit features a single 20-watt UV bulb that produces 7.5 watts of UV output at a wavelength of 254 nanometers. The light emits a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. This fixture is a wall-mounted unit and operates on 120 volts AC current. This UV air disinfection fixture projects ultraviolet rays across the top of the room it is mounted in. The upper air in the room that passes through the UV rays via convection currents or forced air circulation is then sanitized. Bacteria and viruses present in the air that passes through the UV rays produced by the fixture are destroyed. The air in the room is constantly being purified as it flows through the UV rays being produced by the fixture. This unit is capable of disinfecting the air within an area 9 feet wide and 16.25 feet long from the front of the unit. The enclosure of this fixture is built from 304 stainless steel. A series of front-mounted louvers protects people from harmful UV light, as well as maximizing the amount of UV rays that are projected across the upper air of the room. A parabolic reflector with specular aluminum inserts directs as much light from the bulb out of the unit as possible. The germicidal UV sanitation light offers UVC output at a range of 254 nanometers and comes equipped with a 55-watt UVC fluorescent lamp. A top-located carrying handle allows the UV light to be carried or moved around the facility. This light emits a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. This UV system caters to 15 feet by 15 feet areas with 360 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the light around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. This unit is equipped with 15 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options are available. Provide your patients with the peace of mind afforded by the state-of-the-art UV disinfection fixtures available from Larson Electronics. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.